I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. Welcome to the study. The small rooms are always the coziest and everybody always likes them the best, and this is no exception. We have a wonderful hickory chair, sleeper sofa in here, covered with a Nina Campbell Rush Lake woven, banded at the bottom with Alexa Hampton Dia linen from Cravat. I'm sitting in a wonderful Century Furniture 21st century Windsor chair called the Leatrice, covered in a simple linen, and it's used in front of this great desk, the Charleston desk from Century Furniture in the sand raffia finish. On the desk is a wonderful lamp, the Bojan by Curry & Company, and the lighting overhead is the Carling pendant, also by Curry & Company. And in the corner, another terrific reading lamp standing called the Iris, which is a new introduction just this year with Curry & Company. We have a stylized wing chair called the Jefferson with a high oval back covered in a wonderful lively linen. The room is painted the Baffin Island by Benjamin Moore that we've used throughout the house. In the study, there's a beautiful 17th century oak coffer, an antique that we found on First Dibs, and the legs were too short, so they were extended by the woodworker who did a beautiful job, and it makes a perfect anchor under the television in this room. One thing I try to do when we're designing a home to celebrate that sense of place, the colors, the texture, the light that are part and parcel of the setting here. And I think we brought that in very well here. It's an extension of the outside, and we're sitting here perched just on this beautiful view of the Hayfield Terrace.